Pray God you can cope. I stand outside this woman's work, this woman's word. Was hard on the man, now his part is over. Now starts the crowd of the father. I know you have a little life in you yet. I know you have a lot of strength left. I know you have